At this point in time, you may wish to look at the model from different angles. You can do this by clicking the scroll wheel of your mouse in and then moving your mouse, and this will move the item around so that you can see it from different angles. You may also wish to zoom in and out. You can do this by scrolling the mouse wheel. Note that when you zoom in, it will always zoom to the point where your mouse cursor is. So if you want to zoom in on this corner here, you hover your mouse over it. If you want to zoom in on the center, once again, you hover your mouse over that center. If at any time you get lost in your drawing and you don't know where you've zoomed into or where you've rotated the view to, you can always use this tool at the top, the view orientation, to reset your view back to isometric.